boosters could mean billions for drug makers. Welcome to Inventiva. I'm Oishi Banik, back with today's news. Billions more in profits are at stake for some vaccine makers, as the US moves towards dispensing COVID booster shots to shore up Americans' protection against the virus. But US regulators have rejected the across-the-board approach and instead said third shots of Pfizer's vaccine should go to people who are 65 and older, and certain others at high risk from COVID-19. And that, plus continued growth in initial vaccinations, could mean a huge gain in sales and profits of Pfizer and Moderna in particular. The opportunity, quite frankly, is reflective of the billions of people around the world who would need a vaccination and a boost. Jefferies analyst rightly said, most of the vaccinations so far in the US have come from Pfizer, which developed its shot with Germany's BioNTech and Moderna. But Morningstar analyst Karen Anderson expects booster alone to bring in about $26 billion in global sales next year for Pfizer and BioNTech and around $14 billion for Moderna, if they are endorsed for nearly all Americans. Those companies also may gain business from people who got other vaccines initially. In Britain, which plans to offer boosters to everyone over 50 and other vulnerable people, an expert panel has recommended that Pfizer's shot be the primary choice, with Moderna. Anderson expects Moderna, which has no other products on the market, to generate a roughly $13 billion profit next year from all COVID vaccine sales if boosters are broadly authorized. Potential vaccine profits are harder to estimate for Pfizer, but company executives have said they expect their pre-tax adjusted profit margin from the vaccine to be in the high 20s as a percentage of revenue. That would translate to a profit of around $7 billion next year just from boosters, based on Anderson's sales prediction.